I am attending my friend's wedding, so come get ready with me. So, before doing my makeup, I am doing a bit of skincare. I put on a clay mask and let it sit for 15 minutes, and until then, I'm doing my hair. I just apply some heat protectant and hair serum. And after 10-15 minutes, I wash off my mask. I dry my hair once they are air dried like 75%. So I'm prepping for my makeup with some toner first, followed by this nail mucin, which is a bit hydrating on the skin. When I put on makeup, my skin gets like very patchy and dry, so I make sure to hydrate very well. I did my eyebrows and putting my lip balm so that my lips get moisturized before doing any makeup. And now I'm putting on my moisturizer. I always make sure to give the products a bit of time to get into the skin. So I massage really well and quickly change my outfit. I am wearing this really pretty pistachio green suit. By the way, I uploaded a full day vlog in Udaipur, so if you haven't, please check it out. I'm done with my hair and I'm wearing this really pretty jhumkas. So I'm starting off my makeup with this strobe cream from MAC. It really hydrates and gives that glowy, dewy base. I usually focus on the high points of my face and massage it really well. And now I'm going with my color corrector. I'm using the Huda Beauty color corrector in the shade Peach. And this I apply wherever I have like dark circles and pigmentation. Blending it really well. And then I'm going in with my foundation. This is more like a skin tint. It gives a sheer coverage, which is really what I'm going with. Even though it's a hydrating foundation, I still like to mix it with my moisturizer so that it hydrates even more and just gives that glowy base. Blending it out nicely. It gives such a perfect sheer coverage and without making it cakey or patchy. And now I'm going in with my concealer, only putting it on the high points and under eyes. And once I blend that out, I go in with my powder only on the under eyes and the T-zone basically. And then I make sure to lock everything in with this setting spray. If you're going with a dewy kind of makeup, make sure you get a hydrating setting spray instead of a matte one. And once it's dry, I'm going in with my blush. This is actually a blush and highlighter stick. So it has a blush on one end and highlighter on the other. And it just blends so smoothly. Especially the highlighter, it just blends like butter. And I obviously have to put it on my nose as well. I use the highlighter on my cheekbones, eyelids, temples and nose. And I use the semi-dried mascara to brush my eyebrows. And I'm taking an angled brush and just drawing some shadows for eyeliner and kajal, so that it's easy for me to do the eyeliner later. And after some time, naturally the concealer creases, so you have to remove it with a q-tip or tissue and just powder the under eyes again. I'm using this dark brown shade from my eyeshadow palette and cutting the crease a little above my actual crease line, so this makes your eyes look bigger. And with the same angled brush, I'm taking a shimmery shade and adding it to the inner corners of my eyes, or maybe just using my finger. And then we are going with the eyeliner. I have to get really close to the mirror for eyeliner. I only did my wing with the liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow on the rest of the lash line. And then comes the mascara. So for the lips, I'm using this Mars Edge of Desire lip liner, I think in the shade of brown mocha. Then in the center, I'm adding this pink lip tint and finishing with this Romand dark coconut lip gloss. Okay, so my makeup is almost done. So let's just get some accessories to wear. First off, I have this glass bangles and they are golden, so they go with my suit very well. And then I'm just adding some rings. And this is how it looks, but I still thought that I could do more, so I decided to add some eyeliner on the waterline and some kajal to give that smoky eye effect. And I think we are ready. I am really glad with how my makeup turned out. And I was getting late, so needed to head out like really quickly. But here's a quick fit and makeup check. I hope you guys liked this video, and let me know if I should do more of these makeup looks kind of videos, and I'll catch you guys in my next vlogs.